Let's start with programming. We want to go with the while loop, while program in Java. In this we will create the class public static while main and then string with the close this bracket. Start with the variable defining, say for example integer I equal to 0. Then your while loop, the control condition, what you want to control to I less than 10. Then your printing, what you are looking for. So for example, you want to print the statement, print value of I, give the increment I plus plus. Okay, so here you will see that in this fashion you can write a program for that. Save your copy. So at some location you will be able to save this. Check while 1. It should be like in this main things. .java. Once you have saved the program, you can go with the compilation. Then you can build. So it will show you something. You can go with the go command. Okay. So you will be able to see the output. In this fashion, you will be able to see the things. So this is the output for while program. Okay, clear? Now, if you want to do nesting of the while, so for example, I want to write one loop inside the another. Then how we will do it? Let's start working here. Sorry, you should work inside this. Say for example, I equal to 0. Okay, then you need another control condition. Say you want control should be less than 10, something like that. Then your statement, what you are looking to print. For example, you want to print the value. Then go with that. Print this value. You need to give the increment, that is J plus plus. After doing this, you can say if you want to print the output and check what kind of output we are getting. Save it. Control F7. Run this. And F5. So it is breaking after the single loop. See, you can see this. This statement is running here with this as 0. Okay. So we are not looking in that fashion. So what we will do? We will first try to break this statement. Control F7 again. So you see that in this fashion your while loop is working with while nesting. So probably when you see this, you will be very clear how you can proceed further. Let me show you the whole program. Scroll it down for you one by one. Okay, in this fashion your while loop will be working. Clear? Thank you very much.